12 out of the minute, 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 13, 12 out of the minute, 13, 12 out of the minute, 13,000, you're going to do 13,000, now 13,500, 13 out of the minute, 13,500, 13 out of the minute, 13,500, 13,500, now 14,000, sir, right back to you, and 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, now 14,500, 14 out of the minute, 14,500, 14 out of the minute, 15,000, it's up to you, sir.
Your next lot is number 86. It's a Cincinnati CL-707. This is a 5x10 cutting area with a dual table. Really nice cutting machine. Did you say you're looking for a high-speed laser? Check out this little trick. Cincinnati CL-707. I don't know how much faster you need. We've got 1/4 inch plate in there right now. We're going to go ahead and cut some parts for you. Hit cycle start. Here's the program we're cutting. So this is lot 86. Good luck and happy bidding to you. If you're looking for any other laser, make sure to look for other lots. There are some other options available. Thank you.
You're at 9. You'll raise your own bid. Now 9,500, sure. 95 to the bid. Now 95. Got it. Now 10,000. 10 to the bid. Now 10,000. Give me 10. Now 10,500. 10 to the bid. 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 Now